Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be putting on this wig, one of the wig that is currently on my website. If you haven't been following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram, then you'll be getting all my updates. I currently added some few new wigs on my website and I'm going to be trying one up. Like I'm going to be putting one on for you guys to see today. So the one I'm going to be trying is the classic sided cornrow wig. As you can see, it's very natural. It has the Swiss wig, Swiss lace, and has some baby hair at the front. It's very lightweight, it's very beautiful. You can go ahead and check my website and place an order. This is perfect for somebody who does not have time to be sitting at the hair salon and getting their hair cornrow or braided or getting their edges damaged whatsoever. This is a perfect investment. When I say investment, it's going to save you a tons of money because you can wear this and put it out away for a few weeks or months, and you can always put it back. Whereas if you were to go and get your hair cornrow, you have to take it out and you have to pay over and over again. As you can see, the way the wig is really beautiful. I love the density. It's very lightweight, and yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how I put this on. And please go on my website at www.ivwigsupply.com, and I have more wigs, braided wigs on my website and other product. And yeah, let's just get going. All right, so I also have this detangling brush also on my website. You can go ahead and place an order. I'm just going to brush my hair backward, and I'm going to start to put this wig on.
Faded in this dark and smoky room, way out, face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'll fire in my heart, yeah. In the quiet, all my thoughts run free. So I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to.
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm saving some, 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 I'm saving some.
dark and smoky room. Way out, face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'll fire in my heart, yeah.
So guys, this is the final look. This is the wig on me, and thank you so much for watching this far. Thank you for all your support in 2019. I appreciate every single one of you guys. If you follow me, if you're subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. If you have watched any of my video, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. Keep subscribing, keep coming back for more videos, and I will see you guys in 2020. So I'm going to say goodbye and have a wonderful new year. I hope you enjoy your new year. I hope you spend it with people that matters to you, people that value you, people that love you. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for all your support, all your love, all your comments, every single one, recreating my videos or sharing my videos in any platform. I'm really grateful. So that is all about it. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.